Good morning, sunshine, rise and shine. The coffee's on, the weather's fine. The birds are singing right on time. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-ba-ba. Same little melody, same little rhyme. The neighbor waves from across the way. How are you? Oh, I'm doing great. The toast is gold and the jam is sweet. Every little
You've probably
thing
heard
is
this
so
song on our channel. We made it with AI. One prompt, Lyria 3 Pro. And I'm going to show you exactly how we did it.
Keeps turning, everything is perfectly fine. Everything is perfectly fine.
Any AI can generate a song. Getting one that actually sounds like what you imagined, that's the trick.
This is the workspace where we made it. Here's my prompt. I asked for a song with total irony. Start light and airy, a cappella barbershop quartet, then take a hard twist into gritty 80s heavy metal. I've got to feel it in the lyrics, but not feel like it's going there. That's it. And my AI came back with full lyrics, genre transitions, tempo changes, instrumentation notes, vocal direction, a complete music production brief. My prompt was a mess. This response is professional. What happened? I did two things. Built a specialized agent and gave it professional training material. Here's how. First, I opened a new workspace. Named it How to Create AI Music. I dropped in my idea right there in the document. But I didn't generate anything yet because I needed someone who actually knows music to help me turn that idea into a real prompt. So I built that someone. I opened another workspace. This one's for creating the agent itself. I asked for a music composer to help me with music generation prompts. Then I called our charm building specialist. 2 seconds later, it crafted the complete skills and expertise for this agent, music theory, genre conventions, song architecture, and imported him directly into my panel. No configuration, no setup. I described what I needed, the system built it. But I gave it one more thing, training material. Google's official prompting guide for AI music generators. It's on their website. I'll put the link in the description. Copy Google's prompting and paste it into a new workspace. Name it Prompting Guide for AI Music Generator. Quick note here, I added Google's safety rules here so the agent won't waste time on blocked content, so no specific artist voices, no copyrighted lyrics. Add this to the agent's reference materials. Now every time I ask for a song, it's working with industry standard prompting knowledge. So now I got everything I need. I call the AI Music Prompt Composer. And here it is, the prompt. This level of detail, that's not luck. That's what happens when your AI already knows music theory and how to write prompts that work. Once I had the prompt, the rest was simple. Copy the music direction, hit the music icon, paste the prompt, choose Lyria 3 Pro, I can save this as my default for future projects, and generate. The result shows up right in the workspace. We have download options or playback speed control.
Good morning, sunshine, rise and shine. The coffee's on, the weather's fine. The birds are singing right on time. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-ba-ba.
Listen to that. That's exactly the vibe I was going for. You can take notes on this particular version. What worked, what didn't, the tempo, the energy, the vocal feel. Because right here, you can regenerate. Each time it's different. Same prompt, new interpretation. So you can explore variations until you land on the one that absolutely nails it. That's the workflow.
Good morning, sunshine, rise and shine. The coffee's on, the weather's fine. The birds are singing right on time.
Now that was a one-shot approach, concept to final prompt in one go, but you can work differently. Say I want a K-pop song about finding happiness in little things. I'll brainstorm lyrics first with the all-purpose charm. No prompting guide yet, just creative exploration. Look at this, lyrics in both English and Korean, super cool. Now I add back the prompting guide and ask my agent to build the full prompt flowing the guide. Full prompt, musical specifications, production notes, copy and generate. Let's hear it.
coffee in my favorite cup. 첫 번째 sip, waking me up.
Nice. It's mixing English and Korean naturally.
Sunlight dancing on my windowsill. 작은 moments that make me feel. 작은 moments that make me feel. Don't need diamonds, don't need gold.
Wow, not bad, right? I like it.
Every heartbeat, every smile makes it all so worthwhile. It's the little things that make my heart sing, heart sing. 작은 기쁨들이 fill me up with so much love. Little things, like a bird that spreads its wings, flying high on simple dreams. Life is beautiful, beautiful. Little things make life beautiful. 작은 것들, so wonderful.
Even ad-libs, the whispered vocal outro's pretty cool. And you can just explore. The sky's your limit now. What does Pink Panther meets James Bond sound like? Turns out, spy jazz is a real thing. That's the difference. You're not just using AI to make music, you're directing it, shaping it, making it yours. And once you see how this works for music, you'll start seeing it everywhere else. Links in the description. Go make something weird.